I think the conversation you're referencing is 2-1, the 2 seniors to 1 junior on a stable team. And if you can't help it, 1-1. Generally, you don't want the juniors to be in a majority position unless
Because you said the AI might eventually be a sort of like a junior, and I'm thinking that ratio would still be kept needed.
Yeah. I mean, right now that's the thing, right? I mean, you have a team of 2 seniors and maybe a junior, and the seniors use AI some of the time to get a little bit of benefit. That's following in that ratio. So I think AI is useful, but this idea of AI replacing software engineers is overrated. If nothing else, you will still need to learn how to prompt it, how to talk to it, right? So AI does coding very well, but not engineering. So you would still need engineers. The engineers might not be coding. I'm happy if the AI can take over coding, but then
if I can think of a problem instead of dealing with the mundane.
But then I would spend 8 hours of my day engineering, which is what I'm doing right now. But instead of, I don't know, an hour of coding, I do an hour of whatever it does. Or it does 24 hours of coding while I'm spending most of my time engineering.